If there's a decision that you need to make in your life today, this is for you. The Bible says in Proverbs 3:5-6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, that in all ways you should acknowledge him and he will direct your path. The key to decision making isn't trying to figure it out on your own. Human reason is what really limits what God says is possible for your life. When you trust God completely, it means surrendering your expected outcomes to God because, listen, we already know that he is the God of everything. His thoughts and his ways are far above our own. So many of our self-sabotaging ways are in opposition to this verse. Our limited views will only lead us to answers and desires that we can understand, not from the wisdom and understanding we get from the obedience and intimacy with God. When you invite God into your decision-making process, it comes with direction and clarity. That means you can stop stressing over the unknown and trying to control everything. Your desire for control is actually the thing that leads you to confusion and dysfunction. It doesn't mean that everything will be easy, okay? But it does mean that he will make a clear path for you. So if you've been struggling with your plan and making a choice, today I need you to align yourself with God's plan for your life. See you tomorrow for another 1 Minute on Purpose.